Here we're asked to sketch the graph of f of x and then write an equation for the inverse and also sketch that. So my sketch here, again, it's going to be a sketch, so bear with me on this when I'm kind of going through this, but it is a square root function that shifts 3 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 1 unit up, and then it has a stretch factor of 2. So I'm going to kind of make myself a little xy table here. My first point is going to be 3, 1, and then I'm going to plug in 4 and kind of just do the math plugging in 4 for x here. So 4 minus 3 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And the next number I'm going to plug in is not going to be 5, because if I plugged in 5, I'd have to do the square root of 2. So I'm going to plug in 6, 7, 8, 9, actually 7. I'll pick 7 here, because if I do 7, then it's 7 minus 3, which is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So on that one, we go over 5, 6, 7, up 2 more. And that's the general sketch of our graph there. And now for the equation, I'm going to go ahead and find the inverse. So to do that, I'm going to switch x and y and then solve. So subtract 1 from both sides, divide by 2 from both sides. So I get x minus 1 over 2. I'm going to square both sides so that it gets rid of that square root, and that becomes x minus 1 over 2 squared. And then I add that 3 over it to get my final inverse. Sorry, it's a little bit chaotic here, but my inverse here is going to be x minus 1 over 2 squared plus 3. And I could rewrite that in a couple different ways. I could make it like 1/2. I could change this to 1/2, so I could be like f negative 1 of x equals 1/2 x minus 1. That way it's in transformation form, but it doesn't necessarily matter unless your teacher cares about the format. So in this one here, I'm, instead of actually like going through and plugging in points into that ugly equation, I'm really just going to take the table here and switch the x and y values. So 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7. And so when I graph this, I'll do this on the same one here. I get 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 7. It's up here somewhere. And so you can kind of see that it reflects over that y equals x line there.